lovies, it's me Shanice and welcome back to my channel where we talk about beauty and all things bougie. It's time for another video. Yes, another video time. Alright my lovies, so I am super excited to do this video today. Today's video, we will be unboxing this little guy here, which is the TrendMood box. This is the black owned TrendMood box. And you guys, I don't do boxes for real. Like, I'm not a boxer. But when I heard that TrendMood, okay, the GOAT, was coming out with a black owned brands box, I had to do it. I had to jump in. I had to sign up. Baby, I had my alarm set, okay? So anyway, I'm super excited to be unboxing this, showing you guys what's inside of here, talking about some really amazing black owned brands. And of course, before we jump into the video, I want to say hello to all of my new lovey subbies. What is up to all of my OG writer lovey subbies? Like, my OGs, okay? You will forever be my OG writers, okay? What is up? Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share the video, okay? Subscribe today, become a lovey subby right now, girlfriend, if you have not already. And don't forget to ring the bell so that way you're notified every time that I upload, which is every single Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, girl. So, if you are excited, if you're hyped to see what is inside the TrendMood box, the TrendMood black owned box, please go ahead and stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna hop in real quick just to say that yes, this is the black owned TrendMood box, and a large portion of the proceeds from this box were donated to the NAACP. So I thought that that was very commendable, and I did not want to leave that off of this video. So hats off and kudos to you, TrendMood. I think that that is awesome. I also think it's very commendable, the price point of this box, how many products we were able to get. I think it's just amazing, and I can't wait to continue to support you on your TrendMood box journey. I can't wait for the next one. I think it's volume 7. So I'm excited to purchase that one and be unboxing it here on my channel as well. Just wanted to throw that in there. All right, go ahead and jump into the box. Now, when I saw this box, okay, on my camera being delivered to the house, I was like, so excited. TrendMood, the GOAT, okay? If you don't follow TrendMood, what are you doing? Go ahead and follow them. Stay up to date on all the brand new makeup releases. Stay up to date on everything that's going on in the makeup world, okay? So, spoiler alert, I've already opened the box, but I act like I didn't. So when you open it, this is how it looks. You know, it's taped like that with a little TrendMood tape. This is the first item we're going to talk about. It is a Zodiac Cosmetics item. You know, I've never heard of Zodiac Cosmetics, but hey, I'm so excited to try new things. So they gave me a little 10% off coupon there. Thank you so much, Zodiac Cosmetics. Let's open it and see. One thing I was, dang, I keep breaking my nails. I keep breaking my nails. Oh gosh. It's okay, girl, it's okay. Opening it up, yes. This is a highlighter from Zodiac Cosmetics in the shade Zeus. Let me see if I can go ahead and swatch it really quick. This right here is the highlighter. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is absolutely beautiful. I mean, just like look at how this just glides on. Wow. So that is that highlighter from Zodiac Cosmetics. I cannot wait to play with it. Cannot wait to try it out. So far, I love it. The texture is really pretty. Very beautifully swatched. Let's go ahead and move on. So this right here is the eyeshadow palette from colored Raine. We're gonna go ahead and pop it out. And first of all, I want to say the packaging is really cute, really pretty. I think that that's cute. It's very heavy, so it definitely doesn't feel cheap. If you open it, you do have a mirror right here. And this is what these shadows look like. So it is a 6-pan palette. And I think that this palette is very much so like everyday. It looks like it's very wearable. Let's go ahead and swatch some of the shades. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them on my arm. So this is Torch right there, which is a nice, beautiful chocolate matte brown. This is Smoke Screen right there, which has a little bit of shimmer in it. I don't know if the shimmer is coming across on screen, but that is like super pigmented. And then this last one is going to be Showtime. And that's what that looks like. So, wow. Super pigmented. It's giving me matte tees, but not really. It doesn't really say how the shadows like are described, but they're giving me matte vibes. And this is the Smoke Show eyeshadow palette by Colored Raine. 6 shadows. Super cute, very wearable. And this is another thing that I'm adding to my list to try out and play with. So there is that. All right, and also from Colored Raine, you have a satin lipstick, and this is in the color Whipped. Let's go ahead and open it and see what the satin lipstick is talking about. You already know I love me some lipstick, okay? So, okay, on the one packaging, get into it. Very cute, very sexy, feels very luxe. I love that. And this is what the lipstick looks like. Okay, nude. This is giving me chocolate girl nude. It's sexy. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. Kind of mauve-y. So I'm definitely loving how that is swatching. I'm excited to try that out. And that is the Colored Raine Cosmetics Satin Lipstick in Whipped. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this lip product from Propa Beauty. This is a satin lipstick in the shade Focused, again from Propa Beauty. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. Let's see what this lipstick is talking about. On the one again, I definitely love the packaging. Very unique. This is the shade Focused, but look at that lipstick packaging. So cute. And this is, oh my God, I just had like a little makeup gasm. Yes, ma'am. This is a true chocolate nude color. Propa Beauty. I'm asleep. Let me wake up. And that is swatch underneath there. You probably can't see that. That is so beautiful. This would be like my exact skin tone color. Like this is my perfect nude. My exact nude. Come on with the chocolate girl nude. This is not chocolate girl friendly. This is chocolate girl nude. Okay, I'm loving it. Yes, man, Propa Beauty. All right, next we have a lip product from Mented Cosmetics, which Mented is kind of like a go out here in the Black owned beauty brand space, okay? Mented, good morning. Good morning to you, Mented. I'm Shanice and I love your brand, okay? I'll just throw that out there. I'll just throw that out there. But let's see what we got here. So this is what the lipstick packaging looks like. It's giving me very much MAC Cosmetics, but I'm okay with that bullet shape. I'm okay with that. A lot of my lipstick holders are like made for this shape. Except for it is like a matte lipstick bullet, which is really beautiful. And it says Mented on it. So again, living for the packaging. But this is in Nude LaLa. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's see. She's giving us mauve. She's giving us lighter than the first shade we swatched. She's right under there. This is beautiful. This lipstick is something that I could definitely see myself pairing with like a lip liner or by itself with the gloss on top. This is beautiful. I already know and trust the Mented formula. So, baby, come on with the TrendMood box. You better have given us the things that we've asked for, and that's deliverance, okay? So the last 2 items in the TrendMood Black owned box were these 2 items from OPV Beauty. I'm gonna go with the lip product first since we're just talking about a whole bunch of different products. This is the OPV Metal and Liquid Glitter in the shade Peyton. Let's open that. I'm scared to break another nail. Okay, so this is super beautiful. I hope that the camera is picking up all of the reflection on that. I'm thinking that this is like a paint on glitter, maybe. Yeah, a paint on glitter. So that's that right there. I hope that that's picking up on camera. Super pretty, super beautiful. Definitely could see this being used in tons of eye looks if you're into that kind of thing. And the last thing in the box is the OPV Beauty Born to Shine blush palette. And you know what? I'm not even gonna lie to you. I've already opened this up and this thing is beautiful. Like beautiful, okay? I was like, baby, oh my gosh, baby. Look at that, okay? I'm sorry, but this is beautiful. Here, let me try to bend it back. This is beautiful. Like, look at that. You get 6 blushes. Yeah, that's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is beautiful. I'm living for that. Let's try the orange one, just in case. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm sorry, but I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. that is the OPV Beauty Born to Shine blush palette, which I'm glad I got. This is gonna be getting tore up. I love some good blush. So, all right, my lovies, so that is my video for today. That is the full unboxing of the TrendMood box. All 7 items, I believe, cost $35 or $36. I'll put it on the screen how much it was, but it was not very expensive. And for you to get an eyeshadow palette, a blush palette, and multiple lippies, plus the highlighter, I think that was a great value. And I definitely was put on some new Black-owned brands, okay? And I hope I put you guys on one too. But I am very excited to try these items. Again, TrendMood, keep up the good work. You know, I stan. Okay, I'm here for TrendMood. And I am so excited that I got my hands on this box before it sold out. But okay, my lovies, I'm gonna go ahead and run. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I hope that you guys loved it. Be sure to stick around and watch some more videos. I have plenty of great content. If not, I will see you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and become a part of my lovey-dovey family. And yeah, I'm about to be up out of here. Come on in for your hug. You already know the drill. You guys are the only people that I have hugged during this pandemic outside of cameraman. Just a little tidbit of information. But I hope you guys have a fabulous week. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.